Okay, so here's a quick demo of TKY Marker Pen, a collection of title effects for Final Cut 10. If we come down to our titles browser, we can see there are 8 of these in all. Let's have a quick run through just to see what's available. And first of all, we have the uniform rectangle, the 4-point rectangle, the circle marker, the oval marker, the scribble marker, the straight line, the curved line, and finally the 3-point line. Okay, let's just look at a few of the controls in a bit more detail. We look at the uniform rectangle. We'll see this has got a dotted outline, but as in all, rather dashes rather for the outline. In all cases, there is a style selector where you can select from a different variety of styles. Solid is self-explanatory. Circles is circles. Let me increase the width a bit so we can see what's going on here. That's the width parameter. Circles, arrows, stars, and dashes as we saw before. And we go back to solid to just show you one other thing on this. There are handles at either end for increasing and decreasing the aspect ratio in each direction. All the effects have rotation and shear on 2 axes. Also with this you can affect the roundness of the corners and so on. Okay, I don't want to get into too much detail because obviously there's quite a bit you can play around with yourself. This one here, it's a 4-point rectangle where you can just drag the corners around as you wish. The circle marker is pretty obvious, it's a straight circle, but obviously again here you can affect the shear, and there's a scale function there as well. Oval again is self-explanatory, that has got a bit of shear on it, just to give you an idea. One thing I haven't talked about, of course, is the speed control. At the moment, you've got a speed control that runs from anything from 0 rather to 5 seconds. So you can affect the speed at which the effect writes on. Scribble marker is quite a bit more fun. You've got 4 points, and you can move those around to outline your shape. Quite a fun thing here is this pen pressure, which gives you this kind of calligraphic look. This is preset to moderate pen pressure. If you turn that right down, you get a uniform outline. And the other fun control to play with is twist, which enables you to do some quite interesting things with the shape. And obviously, if I wanted to move this around to get a different kind of different point at which the effect takes place, so we can use the twist to kind of get us back into some kind of semblance of normality. There we go. That's scribble marker. Straight line marker is pretty self-evident. You've got controls at either end to set the line, and the curved line marker, again, controls at either end. You can move this line around. And if you use the twist control, you can get it to go the other way. So this also has got pen pressure, so you can get more of that kind of calligraphic effect. And finally, you've got the 3-point line marker, which has 3. Let me switch to the only one thing you need to know is that when you're setting up your on-screen controls, you really need to be in solid for the controls to respond in real time. So this has three controls, so you can set the middle as well as the ends, and obviously you can change colour and whatever. And with this one as well, you can change the direction. Sorry, not that, not that. This one here, you can change the direction, so you can go from right to left or left to right. Also, just wanted to point out, all of these have the same thing. You've got arrow direction as well. So if you're going from left to right, right to left rather, you want the arrows going that way. You don't want them going this way, which would look decidedly odd. So that's why you've got this control here to turn it around. Okay, I hope that's useful. Thanks for listening.